No one is safe anymore, I warn. Ndisandapinda mashoko kubuda panguva inayi atiri kuona President Antony 30 uri zvigananda is writing a message iri dedicated kune ma-serving generals nema-retired generals achiudza kuti the pace at which your colleagues are disappearing or the rate at which they are dying panguva ino iri very very suspicious and you are no longer safe anymore. Help us subscribe or like out on the bell icon. And 28 anodanyira chiti the death of Chaplain General Dr. Bonelli is a chilling warning. If they come for a man of God, a pastor, we are entering a very dark, ominous season ahead. Nobody is out of reach. Wake up, Zimbabweans. And posted this picture. The Zimbabwe Defense Force is announced the passing of its senior chaplain general, Colonel Ashani Bonali, who died on Monday at the Guest End Hospital in Harare. Mourners are gathered at his homestead in Idomoshawa, with further funeral arrangements to be announced in due course. Whenever we are seeing this chaplain, Anoka Kunzi is a man of God. Dova Kumanako Shpampani Shoko, Awa Kuma Barracks Ugo, and Pankwa in a people shocked. Could this person Shake, Pankwa in a Osakatika, joining a series of other generals who also passed away? We saw many Baloi posting a chiti, rest in peace, colleague Colonel Dovasha Ebebo Vesia 2 Timothy 4:7-8. You fought a good fight, you finished the race, you've kept the faith. Trying to read Tiona again. Tichuona which according to the headline Nobuda Pangwa Ine, digit another top army boasters. We have learned that the ZDF Pangwa has been plunged into mourning following the death of Colonel Dr. Ashani Wanali, the senior chaplain general of the Zimbabwe National Army and ZDF. Colonel Dr. Wanali served as the spiritual leader of the military chaplains service, was a respected figure within the defense establishment. His death comes after the military recently lost other senior officers, marking another sad moment for the country's security sector. Tomba developments are kuda pangwa ine. In comment section, videos of any more to leave on subscribe or like, shit on the bell icon.